two
Yeah.
per 56, I think.
2 to 56
Yeah.
score.
Yes.
Oh, I see. It's not good. The Russian team got 2,
Yeah.
and the other team got 56. What was the game?
LOL.
League of Legends.
Yes. And the male team, they get the mention or action, I think. Like you couldn't do this because they in purpose to get 10 longer.
They did something on purpose to make the time longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
They enjoy the funny.
Oh! They, yeah, I understand what you mean.
But so the second times they get the fast finish the game.
Second time?
Yes.
Yes.
Only 12 minutes because the games continue up to the 50 minutes. So so if you get reach the 50 minutes, you can
Time limit.
no, you can give up.
Oh, okay.
But they just 12 minutes to finish the games because they get mentioned.
Oh! 12 minutes they finished.
Yeah.
But if you want to give up, you have to wait 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You must play 15 minutes.
Yes.
But they won in 12 minutes. I see. So they're very good. Well, are they very good or are the other teams very bad?
Very bad.
Okay. When were you watching this? You watched it?
No, I just
You heard it?
heard the
Yeah.
news. I
Game
found it
news.
funny
Yeah.
because I think no how to say just at least the female play the games electronic sports, I think,
Yeah.
to yeah
Yeah.
how to say is no project, no, how to say, like the formal match.
Ah, professional.
Yeah,
Professional match. Yeah.
it's only the men.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, the professional players are usually men.
Usually.
Yeah, usually men. But not all of them, or all of them.
I think so.
You think all of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. The professionals in South Korea and China,
Yeah.
they're all men. All of them. Not even one.
You maybe have ones, but very
Yeah.
unnormal.
Yeah.
Unusual.
This is because men, they can do this, their brain, they don't have a problem doing the same thing for hours and hours and hours and hours
But
and hours and
also-
hours, days and days and days.
Also,
and days.
sport the same.
But sport's a bit different because, you know, men are usually bigger and stronger.
Yeah.
Usually, not always, usually. Although I'm surprised, I thought that there'd be more female electronic sports players.
Maybe have the females, but not very accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it depends on the country too. Do you know?
I don't know.
Well, maybe. I would feel like maybe in some other countries you might have more, like America. Like, for example, in China, is it usual that girls play a lot of video games? Or is it only boys?
Female will play the something like TT.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Like this.
Yeah. Not LOL.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll check the news afterwards about that Russia story. I'll read it for myself. Alright, let's have a look here at the vectors. So, did you get the first one?
Maybe you say is A plus tau AB.
Yeah, it's A plus TAB.
Okay. Oh, it's T. Okay, fine.
Oh, no, whatever. Minus 3 to 4 plus T 12
minus 6, 18.
That's it. Okay. Point C is at that. Find the angle between AC and AB.
So AC
Okay, so
equals C minus A equals 0, 9, 17, and AB equals minus.
well, we have it there. It is there.
Oh yes.
So it'll be 0 minus 54 plus 17 times 18 over
18
square
plus
root.
81 plus.
Which one? Oh, you do this one. 81 plus, what's 17 squared?
Just
17 squared. And then square root 144, 36 and 18 squared. Well. Why are you late?
I go late bus.
Oh, go. I'll ask you a question.
Yeah, G6, but
No, a different question. Do you think females could play video games as good as males?
Of course.
Of course.
Oh.
Did you hear that, Ben?
Video
Of course.
What's that question? It's
I
like
mean,
straight.
Electronic sports.
not video.
Professional.
That's just a game. Like, if people can practice, they can do better. Than it's not about gender.
54.3.
54.3. Okay. We'll have to ask Summer when if he shows up. Is Summer just staying at home now doing work? Is this his plan?
I don't know. I asked him every day, are you in school?
And he says,
No reply. And in the afternoon, he replied me. But I think he's working on everything he misses before.
he's trouble.
He said, like, after a few days we can review together in school, find some like half-9, the empty room, and he can help me for all physics, and I help him for chemistry or math. But I don't know when.
Maybe I'll see him before the exam. Maybe. Right. Now, how would we show that CAB is isosceles? So let me see. A, B, C. We have the angle, don't we? Between AC
AB,
and
AB.
AB. So that's this angle. What did we say it was?
54.
Yeah.
0.3.
0.3 degrees. How can we show that this is isosceles? Well, we could calculate the three lengths.
But
The two of them should be the same.
I use 2 lengths minus 1, like AC.
What length did you get?
I just AC minus AB, BC minus BC and equal 0.
AC?
Length.
Mine, okay. So they're the same length?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what is the length?
We calculate root 18
Oh, I see, because we have it from the last one.
But different, because it's one of is AB, one of scale.
Okay, well, what's this length? Yeah, that's
19.2.
and the other one?
Also,
Beautiful.
BC. I mean BC.
Oh, now we're not finished. You
Yeah,
can't-
I also get
AB.
BC minus AB didn't equal 0.
Yeah, but what's this length? Because they say show that it's not equilateral. Do you remember this word, Gal? Equilateral?
Equilibrium.
No, not equilibrium. No, it means all the lengths are the same.
Like
Okay.
22.4.
Okay.
But I think it's a lot more.
But if there's 54.3, it won't be equilateral.
It will be.
But it's
Oh, you're right. Actually, you're right, Gav. Thank you. Very good. I didn't. You're saying I didn't need to calculate this because this is 54.3. It needs
Yeah.
to be 60.
yes.
Excellent work. Good job.
So
You're awake this morning. Did you have breakfast?
No.
Okay. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
I didn't sleep well. It was too hot last night.
Yeah, I have some little something beat me.
I did it. Oh dear.
Yes, cause
Wasn't Anna, was it?
No, I sleep 1 p.m. and
Yeah.
wake up
1 a.m. I think you mean.
1 a.m.
Not 1 p.m.
1 a.m. and wake up 5 a.m.
Yeah, I slept at 1 a.m. and woke up at 7 a.m. It was too hot. Too hot. You too?
no, because I think I ate some pills, a lot of pills.
Sleeping pills.
No, for Excel was sick.
Ah, made you sleepy.
Like one pill is 15 pills, and another medicine was 6 pills. So I
Okay.
eat a lot. I
Okay.
sleep well.
Yeah, you slept well with all those pills. Yeah.
And the full question, I don't know.
Right. So you don't know. Show that this is on AB.
Yeah, we get the AB equation, but I don't know how.
Yeah, how to show it. Okay, so 3 minus 113. What was the AB equation at the start? The first answer?
Minus 3, 2, 4 plus t. I mean 12t. And minus 6t plus 18t.
Now, if you see here, this represents this. There's A, there's B, and this vector represents all the vectors that point on the line AB. Well, I just mean you pick a T, you get one of these vectors, these black vectors. So for example, this one here, you get if you make T equal to 0. And this one here, you get when you make T equal to 1.
So we calculate t
Yeah.
equals.
Yeah, this point here, C, is somewhere on this line. If you can find the T, you've done it. You've done it. So I think if we say let, you see the easiest one might be this one, minus 1 equals 2 minus 6t. So that means t is 2 maybe. No. T is a half.
Yeah, I think.
Let t equal a half, then these 3 should equal these 3.
Yeah.
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 4 plus 9, yeah.
So
So-
we just like t.
So C
equals
is
1.
on AB. You can see this if T is a half. In fact, because it's a half, you know that it's exactly in the middle of AB. It's actually a midpoint. Because of the half. It's in the middle of A and B, Ben. Yeah?
So I'm wondering the equation just a plus t
AB.
times ab.
Yeah.
Okay. The magnitude is root.
Continue? Right. Find AB dot CD. Okay, do we have?
I get a 0.
Okay, what was AB?
12 minus 6, 18.
And what was CD?
6 minus 12 minus
8.
8. 8.
And that's 72. Huh? Are you sure it's 0?
Yeah. Plus.
Oh, plus 72 minus 144
Yeah.
equals 0. What does it mean if the dot is 0? Do you remember? No, the other word, not parallel.
Perpendicular.
There you go. Say again?
Perpendicular.
Close. Perpendicular.
Why? I think. Oh, but also remember perpendicular is minus 1.
Yeah.
You're thinking of this one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's slope.
So
in vector is
0 for dot.
But how about
Parallel?
parallel?
Yeah. How do you know if two vectors are parallel? So like x1, or y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. How do you know they're parallel?
They're times like
Yeah.
you have t or
Correct. If one of them is a multiple of the other one.
Oh.
So like 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, they're all
Okay.
parallel.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Happy?
How to how to spell the
Parallel?
no
Perpendicular.
perpendicular?
P-E-R-P-E-N-D-I-C-U-L-A-R. Okay. Right. Next now. Whoop. Okay, we have 4x squared minus 2xy plus y squared equals 48. And we want dy dx.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
ax minus 2y and plus 2x dy dx.
Minus 2x dy dx if I have no brackets.
Yeah. I have brackets. M plus 2y dy dx
Equal.
equals 0.
So dy dx equals 2y minus 8x over 2y and 2x. Cancel, 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 cancel.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
So it's y minus 4x over y minus x.
Yes.
Is the next question the stationary point? Yeah. Show that there's a stationary point when y plus 4x, easy peasy,
Just y
equals 0.
Yes.
So if y does not equal x and y equals 4x,
Yes.
you'll get this.
Oh, we must be get the y. Okay.
You don't really want y equal x. It's a problem.
But they mean so.
Yes, it's okay.
So just so y equals 4x.
Yeah. Find these coordinates. Ben, what does the word coordinate mean?
Like
Do you remember? Don't say it. Don't say it.
like x, y.
You're good, yeah, x, y. So what we do is we take this and we take this
Yes.
and find x, y.
I
so-
get the x equals.
1 second, yeah, 1 second, let me just write it down. 4x squared minus 8x squared plus 16x squared. No,
48.
16x4.
Huh? No.
Yeah,
What?
because here, square.
No.
What?
4x. 16x squared.
What? Y equals 4x, So y squared equals 60. Oh! Sorry.
And we
This
get
is x.
We get
No, that's x squared.
X.
Oh, they're all x squared. Oh, that's nice.
I get x squared equals 4. Yeah.
2.
So tired. So sorry. Terrible.
And I
Why?
get 2, 8 or minus 2 minus 8, I think.
Yeah, well, if x is 2
So
and 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have two answers.
Yeah.
You can have
I think
2, 8.
This is
circle.
circle.
It's not quite. It's an ellipse.
Yeah,
Elliptical. It's probably some shape like this.
Yes, I think.
I would guess. So you're probably.
That's true.
Well, no, actually, no. It'd be more. Or it could be a hyperbole. It could be like this.
Oh.
I don't know. Do you know what? We'll draw it.
I think this.
Well, no, look, no problem. We'll just draw it on the program.
In my opinion, I think this.
It's a circle.
Formula is like a circle. Yes.
But it's not a circle. I know it's not a circle because for it to be a circle, this number and this number must be the same.
Oh, yeah. So this is, you say.
An ellipse,
Ellipse.
I think. Or hyperbole, perhaps. Hyperbola. We'll see. We'll draw it. We don't have to. We'll draw it anyways. We'll go on to the next question in a moment. Did you finish this at home, Gal? Yeah. Then you took your pills and fell asleep. 4x squared minus 2xy plus y squared equals 48. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, nice. So we have, what did we say?
2, 8.
Yeah, so it's like, here's the maximum, and here's the minimum.
Yes.
Right, last one.
B6.
B6. Hey, that's pretty nice. Yeah?
Can we use the root formula to get coordinates?
For which?
For like x and y.
The root formula?
B square minus 4x.
No. No, you don't need to because it's not quadratic. It's just
Yeah.
yeah, it's just x squared. Yeah. So no need for the formula, you know. Okay. This one was okay, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You want to integrate.
Fine, stupid.
You did something stupid?
Yes.
What did you forgot something? U equals 1 plus x cubed.
Yeah.
Du dx equals 3x squared.
Yeah.
So dx equals du over 3x squared. In it goes. X squared over u du over 3x squared. Cancel. Right? 1 over 3 log u. Nice, for 4 marks. Now, next we want to solve this equation. Dy dx equals yx squared over 1 plus x cubed. Okay?
Y.
Yeah, just cross multiply 1 over y dy, integrate, equals x squared over 1 plus x cubed, integrate dx.
I just think about how to calculate this one. The rest.
You just did. So you get log y equals 1/3 log 1 plus x cubed plus c.
Yes.
You have your x0, y3. So log 3 equals 1/3 log 1 plus c. So c is log 3. So you get, yeah? Log y equals 1/3 log 1 plus x cubed plus log 3. I'll bring this 1/3 up here. Okay. I'll get log y equals log 3 times cube root 1 plus x cubed. I can cancel the logs. So my answer is y equals 3, 1 plus x cubed power 1/3. That's my answer. You didn't get this, I feel.
Yeah.
How does it from dy dx to 1 over y dy? From the first step to the second?
Here?
No.
Oh,
How
here?
dy dx to...
Yeah, this step. So I took this y down here, and I took this dx up here.
Okay.
Then I integrate. Yeah? How many marks is that? Also 4. 8 marks so far. Okay. Continue? It's okay now? Continue?
Yeah.
What's next? Ah, the rotation one. So you use the formula v equals pi integrate from 0 to 3 root 4 minus x squared squared dx. That's equal to pi integrate 0 to 3 4 minus x squared dx, which is equal to pi for x minus x cubed over 3, 0 to 3, which is equal to pi 12 minus 9. 3 pi. 3 pi? 4 marks again. 4, 4, 4. Oops, nearly finished. 2 parts left. Integration by parts. This looks like an easy one. Integrate 0 to pi, L-I-A, 4x sine x dx, yeah? Okay. F derivative, G derivative, F derivative, G derivative.
4x.
F 4x
4
for sine
x
minus cos. Right, so that's equal to fg minus integrate f derivative g, which is minus 4x cos x plus 4 sine x. 0 pi. Put the pi in. Cos pi is minus 1. So that's 4 pi. Sine pi is 0. Minus 4 pi. Yeah, just 4 pi. 5 marks! Good heavens, 5 marks.
Yeah.
5 marks.
How about the last one?
Yeah, how about it? Let's have a look.
7?
3 marks. Okay. Y equals x squared minus 8x plus 3 power 4. Now they want to know when dy dx equals 0. Yeah? So that's 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 cubed.
2x minus
2x minus 8 equals 0.
But, and half.
Oh, sorry, no. Just says find dy dx, not equal 0. And then they say put x equal to 4. So it'll be 4,
Just 0.
6. This works out to be 0?
Yeah, 2x.
Oh, 2, yeah. Easy peasy. Right. Here's the plan. Okay. How much do we have left to do on the physics?
Wait a second. What do you mean?
Well, what I was thinking is if you finish the physics now, then after lunch I can do the rest of the questions. So how many did we do so far? We did this one.
We're on 2B.
We did 2, I remember.
3 is finished.
We did 3.
4 is finished.
4 and 5 is left. Ah, great,
No, only 5.
perfect. Well, we did 4.
Yeah, finished.
Oh, you did you finish it yesterday? I don't know if you finished it yesterday. You started it yesterday.
Yeah.
I remember you doing part A.
Get a lot of.
Yeah, well, I did before.
Good, so you only have to be 5 left.
Oh, I did before?
Well, no, this is what my plan is. If you finish B4 and B5 now, then after lunch, I can do the answer for B4 and B5. Then we can start a new paper.
Okay.
So, like I said,
Let's go.
but did you do 4 and 5? Oh, you already have it done.
No, that's give a lot. But
Oh,
I see the question.
I see. So you're saying you're ready to see the answer now. But is Gao, are you ready to see the answer now?
I only did before.
Okay, I'll tell you what, I'll do the answer for B4 now, then you can try B5, and then we can do it after
I will
lunch.
try again because
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, well fine, that's fine. So let's look at B4 now, okay? Let me just stop the video and make a